Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Wave 5 puzzle. This puzzle was created by Yuu Asaka, puzzle designer who created amazing Puzzle 29 and Puzzle 19. Difficulty level of Wave 5 puzzle is 8 out of 10, and the object is to put all 5 wave-shaped parts into a tray. And as you can see, if you try to move these parts, change their places, you still can't put all 5 parts into a tray, since it's going to be not enough just a little bit to fit all 5 of them. But there is a trick how to solve this puzzle, and I will show it to you a little bit later. If you like Wave 5 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. So first we have to take a closer look at each part, and you will find that all parts are completely different. They have all of them have wave shape, but they have different parts. Like in the middle, this part is smaller in here and bigger in here, and in some other parts the right or left part is shorter. So first what you have to do is to find the part that has the smallest cutout in here and smallest sticking out part on the other side, and you have to find another part that fits perfectly together. There is only one part like this that can fit with the first part. And next what you have to do is to find third part that you can fit with these two. That's going to be this part that has the smallest side on the right. You can put all 3 of them like this, and as you can see, they fit together very good. And now you have to put them into a tray, but not the like a straight position, but you have to put them like this, a little bit angled. That will let you fit these parts into a tray. And now you have only 2 parts left, and these 2 you can also put together like this and then fit them into a tray as well. If you can't fit it like this, you have just to try to find another way, maybe switch it upside down, and you will be able to put all 5 parts into a tray. That is the solution of Wave 5 puzzle. Very nice solution, as always, with Yuu Asaka's puzzles. If you like Wave 5 puzzle or you want to try some other great puzzles created by Yuu Asaka, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!